Hello friends, and welcome to the Cook's Cottage. Today we're going to be making over my master bathroom. So to start, this is what the space currently looks like, and because we're going to try and do this as inexpensive as possible, we are going to be keeping the bones of this space. One thing that's really important when you're trying to make over a space on a budget is to make a list of your non-negotiables. What are really important to you to bring this space together? Often late at night, I find myself scrolling on Pinterest and saving things to my boards, so that's where I came up with some ideas for what I wanted to do with this space. So a tiled backsplash can get incredibly expensive. So this is actually just peel and stick, and I'm mocking up the space because I wanted to make sure I had enough pieces, which I didn't. So I did find myself back at Lowe's to get one more piece. Now, hear me out on this. My non-negotiable for this space was a luxury mirror, and it was absolutely worth it. So right now, I am mocking it up to make sure that the size is correct before I order it. I am an incredibly visual person, so seeing the backsplash with the size of the mirror next to each other really did help me envision it. So next up is paint colors, and I have a system where I like to do these 3 piles of love it, like it, and absolutely not. Then I move on to checking the color up against the different areas and also make sure to check the different lighting. So these ended up being the 2 colors that I chose. So I'm just going to go ahead and start taping some stuff off so I can go ahead and start painting. Now, eyeballing it against this shelf, I am masking off to see where I want my accent wall to begin. As soon as I finished painting this wall, I did not like the color. I was praying that when it dried, I was going to love it, and thank God I waited and didn't just slap on a different color of paint, because during the daytime, I ended up loving the color. Then the next day, we went ahead and put up the backsplash. We wanted to make sure that this was secure and in its place before we hung the mirror. We We did use this all-purpose adhesive just to really make sure that the backsplash was secure, especially because it's going to be in a wet environment. Once the backsplash was secure and in the place that we wanted, we did make sure to tape the top of it and leave it on there for at least 24 hours. Okay, you guys, so the mirror just arrived and I am so excited. I can't believe how fast it got here, by the way. From when I ordered it until when it was received, it was only 48 hours, which is amazing. But I am so excited to open up this Inyouths Mirror and get it up on the wall. I am really just excited, and I feel like this mirror is going to be what the space needs for a couple of reasons. One being lighting, and two, I really feel like it's going to open up that really small space having such a large mirror in there. So let's go ahead and unbox this beauty so we can get it up on the wall. Inyouths Custom LED Mirrors has 30 size options to choose from that will perfectly fit your wall. Unlike standard mirrors, they offer 11 feature options, including Bluetooth speakers, clocks, Wi-Fi weather stations, and demisters for personalized experience. Another perk is factory direct pricing. You can enjoy competitive prices with direct delivery from their factory to you. These mirrors are built to last with explosion-proof film and waterproof backing for added protection. With their enhanced visuals, you get a clear, HD reflection with adjustable brightness and color temperature to suit your needs. This is the point where having a really handy husband is incredibly helpful. Because I am all about the aesthetics, he placed an outlet behind where the mirror will be going. As for the hardware, it did come with 2 mounts, drywall anchors, and screws. The only thing needed to power this mirror is a 3-prong outlet, although Inyouths does carry hardwired options. When I saw this mirror light up, I was genuinely so excited. I wanted to show you guys some of the different lighting and dimming options this mirror has because it's absolutely what sold me and completely made me fall in love with this mirror. I want to get another one for our guest bathroom.
Stuff on the walls or like every time I'm like, this man is bright. Because you're gonna do it either way. So true. And you gotta teach me how to do it the right way.
Now the time has finally come when I get to do my absolute favorite thing every time after a DIY, which is styling and decorating the space. If you guys haven't already, pop over to Instagram at Bethelini. It's a lot easier for me to communicate with you guys over there, and I absolutely love putting faces to your guys' names. Like I said, I am such a visual person. Okay, so I already love this mirror, but you guys, when I remove this film, holy smokes, that HD quality is incredible. This bathroom is so small, but I really do feel like the mirror opened up the space so much. We are really loving how this inexpensive bathroom makeover turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. And don't forget to check out Inyouths Mirrors to get your luxury mirror today. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.